Okay. Go ahead.
He's recording you.
I'm recording you. Go ahead and open it up. This is from your Grandpa Bowman. Grandpa and Grandma Bowman. Say Merry Christmas. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. What is it? Oh boy. Oh, look at that. Oh.
He's soft. Let's see to that. It says press here. It's not working. Yeah, there's no this.
There you go.
Was the night before Christmas.
Oh.
Listen to the story.
Oh my goodness. It's a Christmas bear.
He's eating your finger?
Yeah.
He's telling you a story. Say thank you.
Say Merry Christmas. Hold on, Sadie. Say Merry Christmas, Grandpa and Grandma Bowman. Love you.
I love you.
Bye.